welcome to another class of computer lesson. So, today we are going to learn a new chapter. The name of this chapter is Chapter 7, Using the Keyboard. Here we are going to discuss about what is a keyboard and how to use a keyboard. So, first of all, what is a keyboard? We already learned in our previous class, keyboard is an input device. Keyboard is an input device. Input device means we can give inputs through this device, right? Okay. So, here we are discussing what are the keys present in the keyboard and what is its purpose. Why we used the keys? Simply we can say keyboard is the collection of keys. Keyboard is the collection of keys. And there are different types of keys. Numeric keys means numbers, alphabets, alphabetic key, special symbols, etc. And a keyboard consists of keys which you press for typing. So, first, what are the keys present in a keyboard? And the first one is numbers. What is the first key? Number key or numeric key. N U M B E R, numbers. N U M B E R S, numbers. So, have you ever see any type of numbers present in the keyboard? Yes. What are the keys? Number keys? Yes. 0, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The numbers from 0 to 9 are present in keyboard. How many numbers? 10 numbers. Which are they? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the numbers present in the keyboard. And commonly these numbers are known as numeric keys. What is that key? Numeric key. So now we understood what are the numbers present in a keyboard. Second one is alphabet. Alphabet. How it spells? A L P H A B E T. Alphabet. A L P H A B E T. Alphabet. So, alphabets like A, D, C, D, E, etc. up to Z. So, the letters from A to Z are present in alphabetic key. Either small letter or capital letter. Both are present in the keyboard. So, first numbers from 0 to 9 and the alphabets from capital A to capital Z, also small a to small z. Then, the third one is signs. S, I, G, N, S. S-I-G-N-S, signs. Which are the signs? Plus sign, minus sign, into a star sign or asterisk, then slash, exclamatory mark, raised to, dollar symbol, percentage. So these type of signs are also present in the keyboard. So the numbers from 0 to 9, letters from A to Z, signs like plus, minus, is slash exclamatory mark raised to power dollar percentage etc. are present in the keyboard. So now we understood what are the main elements in a keyboard, right? So moving to next topic, how to work with a keyboard, working with the keyboard. When a key is pressed, the CPU takes the action accordingly. For example, when we press letter A, then CPU understands that is letter A, so it shows letter A in the monitor. Either it will be displayed printed character on the monitor or take another actions. For example, opening menu, deleting the character, etc. Then next is cursor. Cursor. How it spells? C U R S O R. Cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R. C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor. Cursor means a small blinking line. Cursor is a small blinking line which is present in the window is known as cursor. So what is a cursor? Small blinking line or marker which is present in the window. And it shows the position where the next typed character will be seen. Then next is typing programs. There are some special programs which is used to type the text. There are some special programs which is used to type the text. And that program is known as word processors. So what is word processor? Word processor is a program which contains some spaces, so you can enter the text into that spaces. It's a program for typing purposes. It's a program for typing purposes, and it is known as what? Typing programs, or we can say word processors. We can say word processor. So look how can we write the word processor word? W O R D. How it spells? Word. Then processor. P R O C E S S O R. So look here. Word. W O R D. Word. P R O C E S S O R. Processor. Word processor. Word processor. Word processor. So, can you give some examples? Yes. What are they? WordPad, MS Word, then Notepad, etc. So, examples of word processors are WordPad. Word. W O R D. Word. Pad. P-A-D. Word. Pad. Then MS Word. MS Word. These are the examples of word processor. These are the examples of what? Word processor. WordPad and MS Word. Then next, to how to open WordPad. How to open WordPad. So there are some steps. Start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. Then all programs. A-L all programs, then accessories, A, C, C, E, S, S, O, R, I, E, S, accessories, then word part, W, O, R, D, P, A, D, word part. So look here, start, all programs, accessories, word pack. Start, all programs, accessories, word pack. Then next is various keys present in keyboard. So let me discuss about all the keys briefly. So listen here. First key is alphabetic key. We already discussed about alphabetic key. The letters from A to Z are printed on the keys. Such type of keys is known as alphabetic key. Then, since there are 26 alphabets in alphabetic letters, so here also 26 alphabets present in the keyboard. So first one is alphabetic key. So look here, A, L, P, H, A, V, E, T, I, C, alphabetic. So A, L, P, H, A, V, E, T, I, C, alphabetic key, A, E, Y. Then second number of key is known as numeric key, N, U, M, E, R, I, C. Numeric means related to numbers. NUMERIC, numeric key. Numeric key means the numbers from 0 to 9 are present in numeric key. And the third one is cursor control key. CURSOR, cursor control. CONTROL, control keys. KEY. So cursor control key. CURSOR, cursor. CONTROL, control key. Cursor control key. So these are the main important keys. What are they? So what are the main important keys present in the keyboard? Alphabetic key, numeric key, cursor control key. Once again, alphabetic key, numeric key, cursor control key. So say again, alphabetic key, numeric key, cursor control key. Then there are also some other keys present in the keyboard. So let me discuss one by one. And the first one is caps lock key. So look here, caps lock key. What is the spelling of cap? C-A-P. Caps, C-A-P-S. Caps. Lock, L-O-C-K. Caps lock key, K-E-Y. So caps lock key, C-A-P-S, L-O-C-K. K-E-Y. C-A-P-S caps, L-O-C-K lock, K-E-Y key. Caps lock key. C-A-P-S caps, L-O-C-K lock, K-E-Y caps lock. So the use of caps lock key is when we turn on, we can write the letters in capital letters. When we turn on the key caps lock and the caps lock key is on, then we can write the letters in capital. Otherwise, we can write the letters in small letters. And how can we identify whether it is on or off? There is a small light which is present at the top of the key. That is caps lock key. So when the light shows, that means the caps lock key is on. We can write the letters in capital. Otherwise, we can write the letters in small letters. Understand? When the caps lock key is on, write capital letters. Otherwise, if it's off state, we can write small letters. That is the caps lock key. Then next is space bar key. Yes, P-A-C-E, space, B-A-R, space bar, S-P-A-C-E, space, S-P-A-C-E. What it is? Space, B-A-R, bar, space bar key. Space bar key means this is the longest key in the keyboard, and there is a which is located at the bottom side of the keyboard and it gives a gap or the spaces between each words. It gives a gap or spaces between the words. For example, this, if we write text in our notebook, we can write like this. This is my book. In each of the words or between the words, we can write a gap. Yes, we must write a gap. Right? So, in our computer, for that purpose, we use the key known as space bar key. What is that? Space bar key. How it spells? S-P-A-C space B-A-R bar key. Space bar key. Then, next, enter key. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. A-E-Y key. Enter key. E-E-N-N-N. Enter. T-E-R. Enter key. Enter key. Enter key means this means the cursor move to next line. So if you want to move the cursor to next line, you can press the enter key. So what is its purpose? Enter key when pressed while typing will send the cursor to the next line. So how it spells? E-N-T-E-R. Enter. K-E-Y. Key. Enter key. Enter key. Then next is backspace key. B A C K. Back. S P A C E. Backspace. K E Y. Key. Backspace key. B A C K. Back. B A C K. Back. Then S P A C E. We already learned that space bar. So S P A C E space. So back space. Backspace key. Backspace key. Then backspace key is used to delete the characters. Backspace key is like an eraser. Whenever you type something, this key is used to erase the word. For example, if you write your name Arun, then you can write the letters N using this backspace key. So backspace key means it is used to erase the letters from the right side of the left side of the cursor. The next is shift key. Shift. S H I F T. S H I F T. Shift key. K E Y key. Shift key. S H I F T. Shift. K E Y key. Shift key. She. S H I. Shift. F T. Shift key. Then what is the use of shift key? Shift key is used to print some signs. For example, just press shift 1. So you get exclamatory mark. Then shift press 8. You get star symbol. So for printing signs, you can use the shift key. And also shift key is used to make the letters capital. Then next is numeric keypad. Look at the picture. On the right side of the keyboard, you can see numbers. And instead of that, in addition to that, there is also numbers present at the top side of the keyboard. So here it looks like a calculator. So this part is known as numeric keypad. What is that? Numeric keypad. Numeric keypad means spelling N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Numeric keypad. K-E-Y-P-A-D. Numeric keypad. Numeric keypad. Okay. These are the important keys in keyboard. So once again, the keyboard consists of many keys. What are they? Alphabetic key, numeric key, cursor control key. So alphabetic key means A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T-I-C. Alphabetic key. K-E-Y key. Alphabetic key. And the second one is numeric key. M-U-M-E-R-I-C. Numeric. K-E-Y key. Numeric key. Third one is cursor control key. C-U-R-S-O-R, cursor, C-O-N-T-R-O-L, control key, K-E-Y. So what are the important keys? Alphabetic key, numeric key, cursor control key. In alphabetic key, we can write the letters from A to Z. A to Z. Capital A to Z and also small a to Z. Then in numeric key, we can enter the number 0 to 9. When in cursor control key, it is used to move the cursor. It is used to move the cursor. So there are some arrows: up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Then another some important keys are caps lock key. When the caps lock key is on, you can write the letters in capital. Then when the caps lock key is off, you can write the letters in small letters. And the space bar key, it gives some spaces or gap between the words. Then you can use the space bar key. Third one is enter key. To give a new line, the cursor will move to the next line, so you can press the enter key. Then backspace key is used to is like an eraser. It is used to erase the letters on the right side of the cursor. And the shift key is used to print the signs using shift. Then another number you can see a sign present at the top side of the or upper half of the key. So when you press shift 1, you can see there is an exclamatory mark. Shift plus 8, you get a star symbol, etc. When numeric keyboard means on the right side of the keyboard there is a square rectangular shaped board and it consists of many numbers, so that is known as numeric keyboard. How it spells? N-U-M-E-R-I-C, numeric, K-E-Y-P-A-D, keyboard. Numeric keyboard. So these are all about this chapter. So let's move to worksheet. So worksheet number 1, look at your keyboard and write any 5 alphabets, 6 numbers and 7 signs and the space provided using comma in between alphabets, numbers and signs. So look at the keyboard present in the page number 63 and write any 5 alphabets. So you can write any 5 alphabets. For example, so there is a space for writing that. So first numbers, you can write any 6 numbers. So let me write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then on this place and then alphabets. Worksheet number 1. Alphabets, you can write A, S, T, U, V. Then signs, you can write plus, star, then and symbol, then dollar symbol, sharper heart symbol, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then worksheet number 2. Somebody has taken out few keys of Sunny's keyboard. Draw lines from the keys to the empty places on the keyboard where you think the keys are missing from. So here is the boy named Sunny and you look at the keypad, there are some keys are missing. So you have to find out which of the keys are missing and then place the correct keys in the correct place. Okay, so first one 0. Then next look at this keyboard 1, 2, 3. So here is the 1, 2, 3. Worksheet number 2. So numlock, slash symbol, then there is a graph. After that, minus symbol. Then there is also another gap. Then 8. Then 9. Then plus symbol. Then enter symbol. Enter key. Sorry, enter key. Then there is a space. Then 2. Then here 2. And here there is another space. Then 0. Okay. So first delete. Delete is located here, bottom side of the key numeric keyboard. So here is the delete. Then next, so we place the delete in correct. And then next star. Star symbol is located at the top side or above the 9. So this is star symbol. And then next 7. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So sorry, there is a mistake. 4. So here is a 7 and this is 5. Then 1, 3. Okay. So all complete? Yes. This is worksheet number 2. And moving to worksheet number 3, Ajay wants to erase M from each word typed on the every keyboard monitor. Every monitor. Using the backspace key, place the cursor correctly on the monitor for him. Also write the word which will form after the correction below where you see the space. So look here. Worksheet number 3. First word D-A-N-M-G-E-R. So the question here is there is an additional letter M. So you have to remove that letter from this word and then find the correct word. Okay. So now first of all, we can remove the letter M from the word. So what happens? B-A-N, removing the word that is M. So first of all, put the cursor onto this place. Where is that place? Onto the right side of the word you want to remove. So first place the cursor to right side of the letter M and then press backspace key. So it will be removed. So what happens? The result is danger. The correct word is danger. So how to place the cursor or how to remove the letter M from this word? First, take the mouse and then click the right side of the letter M. That is the cursor which is now at right side of the letter M. And then press the backspace key. Then what happens? It will be erased from this place. And the word becomes D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. Then second one is T-E-N-M. So this is very simple. Now the cursor at the end of the word. So just remove the letter M. So here is the cursor and press the backspace key. Then letter M is removed and the final word is PEN. Then next is BOMOK. So how to remove the letter M from this word? First, place the cursor to the right side of the M and press backspace key. Then the word is book. Then next is TRMIP. So place the cursor to the right side of the M and then press the backspace key. That is, the word is trip. Then next, NOTME. Same as that of the above. Just place the cursor to the right side of the letter M and then press the backspace key and the word is NOTE, noted. Then next final word GIMVE. Place the cursor to the right side of the letter M and then press backspace key. So GIVE is the correct word here. Okay, moving to next worksheet, worksheet number 4. Sunny has written a few sentences about the keys which are on the keyboard. Then take the correct ones and cross the wrong ones. So first question, the caps lock key is used for typing in capital letters when it is off. So tell me, what is that? Is it correct or no? When the caps lock key is on, then we can write the capital letters. And here the statement says, when the caps lock key is off, it is used for typing in capital letters. So it is false. Then second question, the space bar key gives space every time when it is pressed. Yes, that is the duty of or purpose of space bar key. Then third one, the enter key when pressed while typing will erase the next word. So what is the use of enter key? Enter key while typing, when we press, it will go to next line. So this is false. And the fourth one, the backspace key is like an eraser. Yes, it's true. It is used to erase the letter to the right side of the cursor. Sorry, left side of the cursor. Then fifth one, the shift key. Shift key is used to print signs which are on the upper half of the keys. Yes, there are some signs which is present on the upper half of the keys in the keyboard. So if you want to print that sign, just press the shift key and then correct key that is pressed on the keyboard. Then next, so it is true. So worksheet number 5, Sunny wants to print the exclamatory mark, heart symbol and star sign. Color the required key. So exclamatory mark means color the digit number 1. Then next is heart symbol. So color the number 3. Then next, star symbol or asterisk symbol, that is number star symbol, that is color the letter or 8, number 8. Then worksheet number 6, color the appropriate keys on the keyboard to type the desired format. A jug of milk. So you have to color the letters a jug of milk, AJUGOFMILK. So if you have computer in your home, just draw the pictures of any pictures. For example, bird, aeroplane, kite, dinosaur. Just draw the pictures and then color it. Then if you do not have any computer, you simply draw in a paper in your notebook. Okay, so let's wind up this class. Thank you. Our portions are all over completed. So study well and write your exam neatly and get full mark. Okay, thank you.